So in question number 2, we're going to explore what a log is by first understanding how it behaves. It's a little weird at first to try to describe what a log attempts to accomplish, so we're going to hold off for a second on developing why logs exist, what they have to do with question number 1, and we're just going to delve in for a moment into how logs behave. Once we understand their behavior, it might be a little bit more clear why they're important to us. So, this little gray box at the top of question number 2 is meant to give you some insights into their behavior. So, when you look at a log expression, one of the things that you should probably know is that there are 3 key numbers in the expression. There's the number that's kind of written like a little small subscript, the 2 in this first example. There's the number after it, which notice is not a subscript, it's kind of a normal size font again. And then there's the number after the equal sign. The key to understanding logs is understanding how these 3 numbers are related. And that I'm going to hopefully ask you to explore a little bit on your own before I simply just give this away. Think of this almost like a puzzle and ask yourself, how could you arrange a 2, an 8, and a 3 so that those numbers go together in some mathematical way, that they make sense together? The same relationship should help you connect a 3 and a 27 with a 3, or a 5 and a 25 and a 2, or a 10 and a 10,000 and a 4. It might seem a little crazy, like how in the world is it possible that those numbers could go together? But the hint that I'll give you is this. It does have to do with the fact that we said logs have to do with the inverse of an exponential. Keep that word in mind, exponential. And perhaps that will help give you a crucial hint in understanding how these things go together. If after a couple of moments you still don't see the connection between the 2, the 8, and the 3, or any of the other series of numbers in these boxes, then I'll definitely in the next video try to kind of give things away a little bit. But I want to challenge you, if you can, to try to come up with a pattern for yourself. Because if you can come up with a pattern for yourself, and if you can figure out question number 2 without watching the next video, I think that'll be a really important, very big step in understanding why we even care about logs to begin with.